If you're looking for an entry-level work-from-home position, I have you covered. The first company you can explore is AnswerAid, and they are hiring entry-level customer service representatives. AnswerAid is a 24/7 telephone answering service where you can work full-time or part-time hours. As a virtual receptionist, you may take inbound calls, you may place outbound calls, you will collect customer data and provide them with basic information, and you may schedule appointments for customers or process orders. For these positions, you will need to be a resident of Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Texas, or Virginia. You'll need a typing speed of 40 words per minute. You should be able to follow instructions. You'll need excellent multitasking, customer service, and communication skills. The salary range for this position is $13 to $16 per hour. AnswerAid gets a 4.2 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The second company you can look at is Conduent. They currently have an opening for a remote data entry processing associate. However, you must reside in Utah for this position. The qualifications for this remote position are you must have a typing speed of 45 words per minute, you should have basic computer knowledge, you should be organized and have the ability to multitask, you'll need to be detail-oriented, and you'll need to have strong communication skills, you must have a high school diploma or GED, and you must live or near Sandy, Utah. This is a full-time position that starts at $13 per hour. However, you will get a pay increase after 6 weeks, and training is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. This position also comes with comprehensive benefits starting on day 1. Conduent gets a 3.1 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The third company you can look at is CVS Health, and they are hiring a work-at-home Coordinator 1 in Communications in Austin, Texas. In this position, you'll be responsible for performing non-clinical activities and functions in accordance with policies and procedures under the supervision of the clinical services supervisor. For this position, you will need to be proficient in Microsoft Office. You will need proficiency in Windows-based applications. You should be an effective problem solver. You should have excellent written and interpersonal communication skills. You'll need a typing speed of at least 30 to 40 words per minute. You'll need to be detail-oriented, and they want medical and pharmacy terminology background. I would personally take a free course online to meet this requirement. The salary range for this position is $17 up to $28.46 per hour, and it does come with benefits. CVS Health gets a 3.2 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The fourth company you can look at is Teleperformance, and they are hiring a remote healthcare customer service representative in Tennessee. In this position, you will answer inbound calls from medical professionals using medical terminology to request and verify benefits. For this position, you will need excellent organizational skills. You should have logical problem-solving skills, excellent communication skills. You should be comfortable with a desktop computer system. You'll need to have a high school diploma or GED, the ability to type 25 words per minute, and they do prefer 6 months of customer service experience. However, it is not required. The salary range is not listed for this position. However, you will receive paid training, competitive wages, full benefits, paid time off, and employee wellness and engagement programs. Teleperformance gets a 4.2 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The fifth and final company that you can explore today are Lincoln Financial Group. They are hiring a remote customer service representative for their retirement division in Fort Wayne, Indiana. While this is a work-from-home position, you will need to come into the office as appropriate for in-person collaboration. In this position, you will answer inbound phone calls, which generally average anywhere from 60 to 90 calls per day. You'll make callbacks and email correspondence from internal and external stakeholders, and you will address a customer service inquiries and concerns. For this position, you'll need a high school diploma or GED. No experience is needed. However, you should have strong written and verbal communication skills. You should be able to work with others in a fast-paced team environment. You should be a quick learner, and you need to be proficient with Microsoft Office Suite. The pay range for this position is $19.42 up to $20.42 per hour, and it does come with a wide variety of benefits. Lincoln Financial Group gets a 3.6-star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. For more entry-level work-from-home positions, head on over to theworkathomewoman.com.